I'm re-siding my house and changing it from vertical siding to Hardie Plank lap siding. Here's the issue we faced. There's two top plates. Above these two top plates is a 2x4 on its side, standing out proud, this way, about 1/4 inch, to offset the upper vertical siding gable end from the lower vertical siding. So given that the 2x4 up here that's laying on its side is offset out this way 1/4 inch, and this vertical siding is 7/16 thick, here's how we resolved it. We put on 2 pieces of plywood. This one back here is 11/32, and this one is 15/32. Together, they're exactly 3/4 inch, which is the same measurement as the 1/4 inch offset and the vertical siding. We didn't purchase 3/4 inch plywood for 2 reasons. 1, we're old and it's too heavy for us. And 2, the 11/32 plywood and 15/32 plywood is exactly 3/4 inch, which will allow us to have a smooth transition from the gable end to the lower siding. And that's how we resolve the upper vertical siding, lapping over the lower vertical siding before we put on our Hardie Plank. Hope it helps, and happy DIYing.